Is it time to buy or sell Siyata Mobile stock? In this video, we will take a closer look at Siyata Mobile. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Siyata Mobile as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 254.55% since we first recommended buying Siyata Mobile 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 84.85% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of 12.15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 91.09% to negative 12.15%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 99.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 100.32% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and negative $0.0261. Our latest daily update for Siyata Mobile includes the headline, "Significant Movements in Siyata Mobile Inc. Stock Price on Tuesday, Fluctuating by 50.18% between high and low." The Siyata Mobile Inc. stock price surged by 101.23% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, climbing from $4.07 to $8.19. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if a slight pause occurs in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 50.18%, with a low of $5.62 and a high of $8.44. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and has increased by 695.15% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 45 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 116 million shares changed hands for approximately $951,460,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $885.58, while the lowest price was 93 cents. Currently, the price stands at 99.08%, or $877.39, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $1,983,896.46, below the all-time high recorded on February 16, 2021, when the price peaked at $1,983,904.65. Recent developments surrounding Siyata Mobile and its impending merger with Core Gaming are generating significant buzz in the market. The merger, valued at $160 million, is expected to redefine Siyata's trajectory, particularly as Core Gaming showcases its innovative AI-driven mobile gaming technologies. Core Gaming recently launched its AI comic app, which has rapidly attracted nearly 300,000 users, indicating strong market demand. This user base growth is crucial as it enhances the merger's value proposition, suggesting robust returns on investment and lifetime value metrics. Additionally, the company's strategic partnership with T-Mobile amplifies its market positioning, potentially solidifying Siyata's role within the competitive telecom sector. Notably, the integration of gaming technology within Siyata's existing framework could catalyze growth and broaden revenue streams, especially given the booming $126 billion gaming industry. In the short term, positive sentiment could drive SYTA's stock prices upward as investors seek to capitalize on this momentum. Long-term impacts hinge on the successful execution of the merger and subsequent performance of core gaming's offerings after listing on Nasdaq. If the transformation resonates with users and translates to strong market performance, it could manifest in sustained stock vitality, offering investors promising returns. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Siyata Mobile stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Siyata Mobile. The stock of Siyata Mobile Incorporated shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal observed from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $2.79 and $1.70. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, and the stock has since appreciated by 736.06%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average offered a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Siyata Mobile. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock could perform poorly in the coming days. The stock has shown significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.82 between its highest and lowest points, translating to a movement of 50.18%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 54.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Siyata Mobile, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can have downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative $2.96. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Siyata Mobile. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could experience a swift upward movement under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is also no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It's important to proceed with caution and only consider making trades if you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.93, reflecting a decrease of 3.18%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which significantly increases the associated risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 91, further elevating the risk level. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Siyata Mobile stock a good buy? SYTA Mobile Inc. displays several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold or accumulate shares while monitoring for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we anticipate Siyata Mobile will open lower by approximately 77 cents, beginning trading at $7.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.